In Office 2010, you have different options to import content into a Word document. The option that you choose depends on how much content you want to import and what you want to do with that content after it has been imported. The most obvious way to import content is via copy and paste, but this method may not always be the most efficient. Therefore, this section will demonstrate alternative methods using the text group within the Insert tab. For example, to import text from another Word file, click Object. From the drop-down menu, select the text from File, and now let's select a file that we have used before. Notice that both text and images have been copied across from the selected file. Now let's look at different methods to import Excel data. For our first method, let's go to Excel and copy a table. Now let's go back to our Word document. This time we will click Object and then select Microsoft Excel Chart from the pop-up menu. Please be aware that this is not an Excel file. It is a link to the file. If you double-click on this image, the Excel file will open within the Word document. Notice that the ribbon is now an Excel ribbon, but the file remains within the Word document. We can update the table normally, and any changes will be saved to the Excel file embedded within the Word document. But there is no connection between the source files and the Word document. There are two other methods to embed a file. From the drop-down menu, we need to select Object again, but this time we need to select Create from File. By leaving these two boxes blank, we can embed the file as an image, or if we tick this box, we can insert a file as an icon. However, to link the Word document to an external file, we need to tick the Link to File box and select the file to insert. The inserted object is too big, so we need to resize. This time the file is not embedded, so if we now double click on this object, it opens the file externally within the Excel program. All editing will be completed in the external spreadsheet and not in Word. To update your Word document, right-click within the image and select Update Link. That concludes this section. Please click onto the Exit button and move on to the next section, or replay this section if you wish to.